I'm gonna be reacting to
Funniest
the funniest videos on the internet. This is my very first like YouTube funniest video reaction thing. Today we're gonna start out with literally the funniest videos on the internet.
This is one of the funniest things.
And my little brother is trying to interrupt this video.
Hi, I just want to see.
Wait, all of us can do the reaction video. Yeah. Only I'm allowed in the.
No, I don't want to be in it.
I'm allowed in it because it's my video channel. No, guys, just stop.
We're putting mayonnaise in the spoon.
So, if we laugh 3 times, we got to eat barbecue sauce on a spoon. Whoever loses all 3 hearts.
Let me tell you, I do not like barbecue sauce.
She hates it. So
I hope we don't lose.
So
pray for me.
Let's just
like and subscribe if you want me to live.
And my little brother just left. So,
and comment down below what crazy thing you want us to do next.
Yeah, so don't forget to like the video again, and let's start.
And today's sponsored by YouTube.
Pretty much. Before the video begins,
don't read it. Don't bother reading it.
Only I'm allowed in the same. Okay,
that one nearly got me.
Starting off strong. I'm starting off strong. Oh no, we both just lost one heart.
You did. I hate it. Logan's got 2 hearts left. I hope he loses because he likes barbecue sauce.
Wow, wee. Bye.
What type of dog is this? King in the castle. Have a chair, I have a chair. Don't do this.
Laranja, acerola e mel. Uma doçura.
This is Simba in real life, not Simba, I mean Mufasa in real life.
Oh no, you don't!
I look good, you? He's like...
Peacock 45 here, your internet shooting companion. And I don't like a pineapple looking at me in the face, to tell you the truth.
Did you just kill SpongeBob? No, 2 more lives.
He's got one, and I got 2.
I forgot to say, we all got 3 lives.
It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me.
What the?
Yo, buddy, can I touch that badonkadonk?
I want to be the fastest dwarf in the world.
That wasn't a laugh, that was chuckle.
Yeah, I said, Tata, get out. No. Me, wow.
I don't know what I expected.
I won't lie. This is definitely me.
Who?
Let's see what this is. He landed!
wasn't a laugh.
That was a chuckle. That was a laugh.
Peter, no. What the hell, Tony? Oh my god.
Mantis, Crane, Viper, Tigress. Roar!
That kid with the milk.
That's serious.
Wait, that was a laugh.
Don't fall in that hole. Hey, Tyler, watch this.
To the video. Oh, they built down. That's actually very convenient.
Caught you on 2 notes.
He's on 1. You're on 1. I'm on 2.
How great is an ad?
Lovely ads. Lovely. Oh. Ding. He was like, I like it. He was like, I like it. I was like, I'm on an airplane. Papa, what the?
You see, the next time I do this, I'm doing it without you. Wait, the mic. Sorry.
Hello.
Oh my god. Oh my
I
god.
was actually coming out here to pick up a cupcake and then go back home.
Hello.
Boom, jakalaka.
He just stole my cupcake. That was a laugh. That was a laugh. That was a laugh. Not a laugh.
What? Who is this DJ? That's rocking very badly like poop. Guys, did you laugh?
Oh my gosh. It's never ending. Just when I think I've seen enough, there's more. And the freshest thing in this kitchen is that pigeon.
Okay, I'll stop.
Oh my god.
Whoa, gotta. Okay, no, go.
You're my friend now.
Time to go do that work. Mm-hmm. Say hi, Burn. There we go, buddy. One day.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound.
Home sweet home? Which one's yours? Right there.
This, my friends, is the master bedroom. Check out the cathedral ceilings. Those are like 17 feet high. We have cable readiness right there. I'm going to totally pimp this place out. I'm going to put a surround sound system. I'm going to put a plasma screen right against this.
No. This is a shared wall.
I'm doing this for Landy now.
No, look. I get everything.
I will get a warranty. Please don't cover it. Well, then I won't get a warranty. That's the truth. Listen.
Oh, man. These babies are sad.
Next video, guys. Remember,
A man has fallen for a man in Lego City.
all go together or we go one at a time.
Yeah! Parkour! I'm right behind you, Andy! Come on! Yeah!
Dear liberals, please come to my birthday party. My mom made pizza rolls, and I have Call of Duty on my PlayStation.
That wasn't enough.
It was,
Congratulations.
but I can't not.
He looks just like your father.
What? Put me down!
That wasn't enough.
No, not laughing.
I couldn't
Remember, I'm on one life.
It was really good. 2 lives, no good. Take 1 extra. One extra. More.
We are here.
Let's get the auction underway. On the first cow here, who's got 55? Soldier weight 65 and a half. 21. Andy Rock 21. Rockstar 21.
Okay, you guys are gonna have to see me eat barbecue sauce.
Now.
Okay. Order.
Okay, you want to do this? Okay.
Now some barbecue sauce. Okay.
Now, guys, you need to see this. You need to see this.
This is barbecue. Right there. It is.
He's gonna eat it. And now with a biscuit.
That's mine.
That's mine. Did I put it?
Okay, I'm gonna try it with a biscuit this time.
Ew. That's a mouth.
You need to see it. Literally right there.
You can see he's about to throw up.
Okay, guys, don't forget to like.
And his pain is in yours.
Notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.
And by the way, he's in major pain. And comment down below what major thing we should do next. Barbecue sauce again.
No.
Or maybe ketchup.
Maybe. Anyway,
Mayonnaise.
don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.